Guys, how's it going? Mono Dragon here again, back with another weird video. So ignore chat to my right, my left. I don't know, it's going to be backwards, but ignore that. That's just my live stream section, but I like the look of it, so yeah, I'm going to leave it up here. You may have noticed there's been no videos for a while, and the last thing I gave you was I'm going to the track with all the lads. So here's how it went. So yeah, I had a nice little low side, and I'm pretty annoyed about it because it wasn't my fault. We'll get into that in a minute. Just shouldn't have happened, and it just it ruined my day because it actually put a hole in the stator cover. I think it's on that side, the stator cover with one of the engine case anyway, and I lost all my oil, and that was me done for the day. That was also the second session, so I had to sit outside, and miss the whole day, which was very annoying. And you can probably still tell from my voice, from the way I look, I'm ugly, but aside from that, I'm just annoyed. I don't want to go into too much detail about it because there's not really an awful lot to go through, but basically when I got to Mondello, I noticed that I had a nail in my tire, and I checked and there was no air coming out of it. I put a bit of water on it, but my PSI was quite low. I was at about 20 PSI, so I put it up to 28, I think, about 28, maybe 30. And it started letting air out. So I was like, right, I'm going to go up. There's a person there that you can get tires from. So went up, asked if they could plug the tire. They don't plug tires. You're not allowed on a racetrack. So I was like, all right, fine, fair enough. So I was like, have you got such a tire? I didn't know what it was. I asked for my S22, didn't know what that was. So I was like, have you got a similar one? He's a Dunlop guy. So I was like, okay, have you got any similar ones? And he handed me a tire. €150, put the tire on, put it on the wheel, balance it, all that stuff. So we spent the whole first session getting the tire and putting it on, because you know it's not easy to put a tire on, and especially with the ABS sensor and all that, and when you're rushing it's not easy. So we done that was grand. I waited for my next session, went out. The video you've seen is the sighting lap, went around the first corner and came off just before the second corner. So what happened? You know, everyone, the first thing that comes to your mind is the brand new tire, blah, blah, blah. But if you look at the video, I was actually off the throttle. I was pretty much upright. I went to turn, and that's when I came off. So what happened was I was sold a road legal, I'm going to use it, road legal race tire. And yeah, so I had no tire warmers, no nothing. I wasn't told this. I was told it was a road tire, and that's why I said road legal. It's road legal for road racing, not actually for road use. Rewatching the video, and I realized I didn't say, ooh, loads of dust on my microphone. What I was meant to say is that I assumed that he assumed, because I was in the track, on the track, and I gave him the tire. He assumed I had my own paddock stands and tire warmers, which I didn't, but he never said that. I never would have thought to have said or asked or mentioned. And I think that's literally just what happened, is that, you know, why would someone who doesn't have all this give him a tire, or give him the wheel of a bike? So I think that's what's happened. That I'm not like saying he missold me and could have killed me and all this stuff. I'm just saying this does happen, and this is what happens when you assume stuff, because he wouldn't have thought to ask me the question. I wouldn't have thought to ask any of these questions. So I needed to clarify this, because I kind of rambled for a bit. So I'm going to get rid of that because it sounds weird. But I think that's what happened. That's all I can assume. That's what happened. That's how I came off. That ruined the whole day for me, which is what I'm pissed off about. But also I'm pissed off with because of my bike. So if any of you know, my MT-10 has been my dream bike, but I've just had such bad luck with that bike. First, it was the gearbox went. Thankfully, that was fixed under warranty. I had another crash. 2020. It was 2020. I had another crash, and now this one. So there isn't much damage. So I needed a new handlebar because the handlebar bent. My clutch lever is damaged, but that's okay. It's only a scratch. Crash bung, obviously. Crash bung really. I put up a photo. The crash bung saved pretty much my whole bike. None of the fairings touched somehow. The seat didn't touch. But what did touch, which was the expensive part, is the swing arm hit the ground and ground down quite a lot, and my foot peg. So not a lot of damage, but it's still going to be expensive. I have all new parts coming. I have a new swing arm I was able to get, thankfully. Saved a fortune. They're about 1,500 brand new. I was able to get one for about 200 quid, so happy days. So the bike's going to be fixed. Jesus, that's a big bird. Bike is going to be fixed, but this is the big but. That bike has kind of just got me to the point where I'm just not bothered anymore. So, you know, for a while I've been like, oh, you know, I've been thinking of stopping the channel, blah, blah, blah. Don't worry, that's not happening. I'm not stopping the channel, but especially with my absence now, I need to take a break. That bike has just emotionally drained me. I haven't really been able to enjoy it. That's the issue. All last year I was able to enjoy it in Mondello. Amazing bike. But now this happened again. And yeah, it wasn't my fault, wasn't the bike's fault, but it happened. I've put too much money into that bike. So pretty much what's happened is I'm fixing the bike and I'm going to sell it. I need to get something else. I need to get something different. I can't be putting like that much money into a bike. As much as I love it, and I actually really don't want to sell it. That's the worst thing. I really do not want to sell it. I might not sell it. You know, this is the thing. Like, this is the plan, but I might just go look. But you know, me and Mrs. Dragon, even Mrs. Dragon's like, you're getting rid of that fucking bike, and I'm like, yeah, I'm getting rid of it. I've just had no luck with it. I haven't been able to enjoy it, and I've spent too much money repairing it. Because like the annoying thing about it is the damage that was all on the bike. It's not that it's a lot of damage. It's just that it's so new. It's also expensive. So I need a change. I really need a change. You can see my leathers in the background. They're obviously out of focus because it's focused on me. But my leathers got a little bit hit. My boots got a little bit scuffed. It's going to be out of focus. I don't want it just to focus. But like the boots got hit. Oh, it's actually kind of bad. It's yeah. The gear's fine. It done what it's meant to do. My last video was the Nox hand drives as well. They protected me. They done a slide, and that was that. So, you know, go buy Nox hand droids. Nox give me new hand droids. Thank you. But yeah, look, I kind of put off doing the video for a while just because I'm still so annoyed about it. Fed up, if that's the correct word. I don't know. It's almost ruined my love of bikes, that bike, which is very weird and unfortunate for me to say, but it's what it feels like. It feels like it's just kind of like, fuck bikes, but I'm not getting rid of bikes. I'm not stopping with bikes. I don't even know if I'll have another video up on the bike, because obviously I'm going to have to go collect it, so I might do a video on that, but I don't know. It just is the thing. It's all, you know, here's how I'm feeling. And this happened like last week, but it's still just, it would have been last week. I'm just annoyed. And I'm sickened that it happened. And why couldn't it have been cooler? I don't know. Why couldn't it have been a cool crash? It was so low speed. But you could see the bike just kept fucking spinning because the tire was hitting the ground. There was no grip. It was just spinning. Like if that was like a normal road tire, more than likely when the tire hit, if I was to come off, it would have stopped it because it was that slow. But yeah, no, the tire had zero grip. You can probably tell the video's not going to be that good. And hey guys, how's me? I am annoyed with it. And I just wanted to explain this is what's happened, and here's the lack of videos. I do also want to say a big thanks to, I've had a weird surge of subs lately. So thank you very much. Also, I was meant to say at the start of the video, but I have to keep plugging it. I do have a Discord if you guys want to join that. Got a nice little community going on over there. It's fun. We're always chatting. Oh, it's me again. I keep doing too many jump cuts. I was meant to say as well, if you want to help support me at all, I'm going to have my stickers back up for sale. Holy god, that vibrated crazy. That's my phone. I have my stickers up for sale, so if you want to go on my Etsy store and purchase any, you can. That could help support me a little bit. Yeah, that's all I want to say, because I never plug it. The ad is expired, but hopefully by the time this goes up, I will have them relisted. So thank you. Please buy my stickers. There's a lot of familiar faces that you'd know, so please feel free to join the Discord right down below. But yeah, guys, like that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I didn't want to leave you for this long, because more than likely it's going to be the week after next when the bike's actually fixed, because I'm waiting for parts to come. I am very thankful that my plastics didn't get hit. I'm really, really thankful, because they are expensive. So if any of you guys are interested in a MT-10, let me know, because I am going to be selling it, and I'm going to be selling it cheap because there's still a little bit of damage from my last accident that I just haven't fixed because I had no need to. I fixed a lot of the stuff, but like it's just all little bits, you know, but I'm just going to sell it just to get rid of it. And get something else. What that is yet, I don't know. And it couldn't have come at a worse time, because I'm like, me and Mr. Dragon are saving for our own house, like our own mortgage. We're in our own house, but we're saving for like a mortgage. So like I can't really be spending like X amount of money. So yeah, look, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. If you are gutted and disappointed as I am. If you follow me on my Instagram, you already would have seen the clip. You would have seen the pictures. I think it's more just I've just been so annoyed. I didn't want to make the video because I didn't really know how to. It's very weird. I'm making this very dramatic. I'm making it really dramatic. But look, that is what's happening. I'm going to fix the bike, going to sell it, going to get something new. But also I should be working with RPM as cycles as well, which I've done a few bits with, and I might be doing test rides with them. So as I said, I'm not giving up biking. I'm not quitting, not doing anything like that. I just need to take a little mental switch off break. I don't have to worry about doing a video and all this stuff. I think that's just what I need. Get the bike, focus on getting the bike sorted, getting it sold, and just move on with my life pretty much, which is very unfortunate. It's really weird saying that because damn, I love that bike. It looks nice, it sounds nice, and it's also, as I can attest to, it's super reliable. You know, it's a good bike. It's a really good bike. I don't know why I'm holding my camera lens, but look, guys, anyway, I'm not going to stop rambling because it's been going on for 11 minutes and 30 seconds now. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it here. Hope all of you enjoyed. I don't know, but yeah, this has been the absence. I apologize. Again, I do have a Discord. Go follow me or go join the Discord. It's a bit of crack. It's a bit of fun. And we also have a channel where you can chat to people for rides, for meetups, stuff like that. So Discord's good. The Discord's fun. Again, I'm not quitting YouTube, not quitting bikes, all this stuff. I just need to take a little break, you know. But anyway, guys, like, that is the video. I hope all of you somewhat enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to all of you in the next video.